Dami ditum gaz dasvini, Dami dutum duhnatanar, Dami ditum Pandavan merge, Dami dutum trikajamas. In this lalvak, Lala says, Dami ditum gaz dasvini, Dami dutum duhnatanar, which means, now I saw a hearth ablaze, now neither fire nor smoke. One moment you see a roaring fire in the fireplace, which is full of flames and smoke, and the next very moment, if you look again, the fire has died out completely and nothing is left, not even the smoke. And then she says, Dami ditum Pandavan merge, Dami dutum trikajamas, which means now I saw the mother of Pandavas, and now was she a potter's aunt, literally meaning even the most important high status person in the bigger picture is just an ordinary nobody.